Hi everyone, and welcome to 180 Day 64. As we move into the 60s, 70s, and we near day 80, I know that sometimes we tend to not be as specific with what we were doing in the beginning. As you were learning in the beginning and making sure everything was in order, we start to get familiar, and we might do things like not weigh our protein, or choose a vegetable that might not be on the list, or choose a carbohydrate. We go, oh, white rice would be okay this time instead of brown rice. What I want you to know is that your metabolism is really picking up now, and you're still gonna get good results if you make little changes here and there, but you are sacrificing optimal results because we put every vegetable, every carb, every protein on there is there for a very specific reason. And if you continue to follow it like it says, you are going to get the absolute best results. So what I want to do is I want to walk through a burn day today because we haven't done that in a little while. Towards the beginning, we kept walking through the day, making sure you're getting it right. Let's do it again, and I'm going to give you some new recipes, okay? So we're going to wake up in the morning on a burn day, right? Because we're going burn, burn, refuel, burn, burn, cut, right? So burn day, we're gonna wake up, have our M&S pre-breakfast packet with our probiotic and our crave check. And then we're gonna wait 5 minutes up to 30 minutes max. And for breakfast today, I'm doing protein and fat, and I've mixed vanilla muscle gain with just enough unsweetened coconut milk to make it into, you can see it's kind of a pudding here, but I actually froze it. And I put for the fat some coconut butter. Now, here's the thing. You're going, wait a minute, Jen, you just told me to stick to the list. Coconut butter's not on there, okay? I am going to offer you some things in here, 2 new things that you are okay to add if you would like. But here's what you need to know. If you're a small, you're allowed 4.5 grams of fat in a serving. If you're a medium, you're allowed 8 to 9. If you're a large, you're around 12 and 16 for an extra large. That is in 1 serving. So when I look on the back of this, it's not the same as peanut butter. It's not the same as the other ones on there. If you can't calculate it, you can't have it. But if you can, then go for it. So this is just strictly coconut, and it's 11 grams of fat per tablespoon. So for me as a medium, I know that there's 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon, so I get 2 teaspoons. I can calculate it, so I can have it, right? So that is my breakfast. So good when it's frozen. Try it out. It's one of my favorites. It's quick and easy. You make it the night before. Take it out, make sure it sits out for at least 10 minutes or you won't be able to get into it with a spoon. Okay, first snack, super easy, almonds and my THERMO Plus. Lunchtime, oh my goodness. So now we have our pre-lunch packet and our crave check. And now our lunch is a protein. I've got my turkey. My vegetables, I did half cauliflower rice and half are my mushrooms. And guess what? There's a fat in here. So what do? I'm gonna take my serving of olive oil and just drizzle it right on the top. Okay, great lunch. You can see that I have extra here so that, throughout the week when I have burn days, this will be more than 1 serving. Okay, make sure you make more than 1 serving at a time so you don't get stuck. Then we've got Greek yogurt with some spark in it for our protein snack for the afternoon. And this is my favorite. I saved this one till the end because one of my favorite things. Okay, it's called bruschetta. And I'm gonna read you the back of this. It's from a company called Oil and Vinegar. Okay, you can find it online, but let me tell you what's in it. Oh no, oh there it is. Okay, tomato flakes, garlic, basil, paprika, oregano. All 3 things. It's just dried tomato. It tastes like pizza sauce is what it tastes like to me. So what I did is I boiled some mahi-mahi on the bottom here. It was actually frozen, and I just put a little water in a pan and I steamed the mahi-mahi and then flipped it over. And then what I did is I took avocado and cherry tomatoes and I mixed that bruschetta with it. So this constitutes a veggie, a fat with my avocado, and my mahi-mahi as my protein. So new recipe for you guys. It is fabulous. In fact, when we stop the video, I'm gonna eat it. And I will see you tomorrow.